Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about iPhone, a popular product from Apple Inc. that has revolutionized the way we use technology. Our focus will be on the how to use aspect, highlighting the features and benefits of the iPhone. First, let's talk about the display. The iPhone comes with a sleek, high-resolution display that is perfect for watching videos, browsing the web, or simply working on documents. With its large, vibrant pixels, you can enjoy a clear and sharp image every time. Next, let's discuss the camera. The iPhone camera is known for its high-quality photos and videos. With multiple camera angles and features like night mode and deep fusion, you can capture stunning images in even the most challenging lighting conditions. Plus, the iPhone's editing capabilities make it easy to create professional-looking content. Another great feature of the iPhone is its seamless integration with other Apple devices. With the cloud, you can easily access your contacts, messages, and other data across all your Apple devices, making it easy to stay organized and connected. The iPhone also has a strong focus on security. With features like Face ID, you can unlock your device securely using facial recognition technology. Additionally, the iPhone software keeps your data safe with features like App Store Review and Secure Enclave, which help protect your personal information from potential vulnerabilities. Lastly, the iPhone's user-friendly interface and intuitive controls make it easy to navigate and use. With a range of apps available for everything from fitness to entertainment, the iPhone offers a wealth of possibilities for users of all ages and interests. In conclusion, the iPhone is a versatile and powerful device that offers a wide range of features and benefits. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just need a reliable tool for everyday tasks, the iPhone is a great choice. So, if you haven't already, consider upgrading to an iPhone to experience the latest in technology for yourself.